check. So we've done the fuel selectors on the right now. So we have fuel flows we're fueled into the engine from both tanks, which is good. Wind control. So we are actually directly facing to the wind. Brakes is on. Park brakes on. So we checked our instrument. Compass is checked. We already checked it on taxi. So park brake is on. Fuel selector on both right now. So make sure area is clear, so we had to run away, so we pretty much clear up all the traffics. So make sure the engine temperature and pressure, good. So they're both in the range, which is good. And magnetos power to 1,800. 1,800? Because RPM gauge is 0, so go to 1,800. Good. So make sure your eyes are looking out, so make sure the aircraft's not moving. Good. And then use your magnetos checked on check your magnetos left and right. Left. Yep. Go back to both. To the left. Right, let's go. Good. So make sure the magneto suction checked. Green. Yep, so in a green out, so alternate load. Zero. On air, we have it here, so it's not, it's actually yours. Meaning is actually fully charged. Fuel forward. Check. So we have free flow, which is pretty good. Enunciator panel, this is the enunciator panel. You test it, everything's up. So turn it back up, turn it back to normal. There's nothing come up, so the lights are all working. Good. And then power idle. All the way out. Good. The engine should stop. So you should leave it out idle for a little bit. Good. And go back to 1,000. So for the frictions already set. You happy with that? Trim set. Everything to neutral. Yep. It's good. Switch it. We should have beacon light on, nav light on, and we turn on our landing light, and strobe light on takeoff. And now switches, flight instruments checked. We check our pitot tube is good. We check our taxi AH is actually good. We have 1017 reflecting elevation of Janica, which is 99 feet. We should have plus or minus 100 feet. So we are sitting at 550 feet, which is good. So take on now we checked. Compass stage is aligned. So it's indicating 230. 230. Push it in, yep, 230. And a vertical speed indicator is indicating 0. That's good. RPM is 1,000. We'll check on this ADF, who's still pointing to the station actually right on our left hand side, which is good. So we checked all that. And avionics set. We have power. Every time we change frequency,
Kilo taxi, hold short 124, time 42.
we put the next frequency on standby. So autopilot test. So how do you test autopilots? First of all, when you get transponder code, you should put it 4130. 0431. 0431. Okay, that's it. When you want to go back to VFR later on, press VFR. So it is 0431. And all pilots turn on. You're going to hear the beep sound. Nope, you don't. You actually hear a beep sound when you turn it off. So you press heading. You should turn with your heading box. Yep, turning. Good. So it's 115. We don't have altitude hold, and we're not selecting a flight plan in, so that's alright. So we just need the heading box on. So we don't turn it off. Press AP. It's off. So turn it back on again. You press the red button. Good. And then you can actually overpower it. Turn on heading box. So you can actually overpower it. Will it disengage automatically? You won't disengage it. You can overpower it. So that's yep, good. This is the characteristic of this autopilot. That's good. So you checked everything. Autopilot's checked. Circuit breaker is checked again to make sure nothing's popped. Volume. Orange field checked. Field quantity checked. Field is on both. Good. Field auxiliary field pump is off. Make sure it's fully rich. flaps check operation.
10 degrees.
Good. So, control correct for wind. How do you do that, remember?
Receive Juliet. Request taxi 24 right. It's a bunch of younger boats.
Good. So select and then check your ladder. So go to big rounds.
Delta 185.
2 big rounds.
Taxi Delta 24 right. Do not do so.
Good. Good. Chances are, unless we're going to I'll close my windows later on. It's pretty well right now. So, pre-takeoff safety brief.
We are using runway 24 left for departure to Armadale County 1000.
1000, yep.
Yep. And if we have engine failure during takeoff, we will throttle off, mixture off, and fuel off, master off, and medicals off, and taxi out the runway. If we have engine failure after takeoff and we have sufficient runway to land, we will throttle off, mixture off, and let off, medicals, fuel, and master, and land the plane and exit the runway. If we have engine failure after takeoff and we don't have enough runway to land, we will glide at 60 knots, throttle off, mixture off, fuel off, master and medicals off, and land the plane. That's it.
So if you're actually landing back on the runway, you don't have a fire hazard, and you don't have engine fire, and you don't have if there's no fire inside the cabin or electric fire or anything, you don't really have to shut the engine off. Okay, you just have engine failure. You just have to land straight ahead. Okay, you may have actually partial engine failure. You shut it off, you may actually lose some airspeed very quickly. You may lose all the airspeed very quickly. So when you have engine failure on the runway, you just have to either throttle to glide 65 knots and land straight ahead just as a normal landing. Okay, so you may be able to actually start the engine again on taxi. So if you shut it off, it would be harder for restart. Okay, so that's good. Let's taxi out.